Hey, this is John's #1 fan. I'm here to show you how to build a small rally car, basic rally car. My first rally car. Here's all the pieces you'll need. Those grills aren't really needed, but I mean, just to make them look better, or make it look better. Okay. First, you're gonna take your frame, take your 4x6 piece, snap it on, put it in the front like that. Okay. Now you're gonna take your this piece, snap it on like that. Okay. Then you're gonna take your grill plates and angled grill plates, snap them on like that. Now you're going to take your windshield, put it on like that. Take your 1x4 bricks and put them on the sides like this. Now you're going to take the 1x2, I guess, and put them on like that. Put it on like that, and then take the square, put it on like that, and then take this plate, snap it on like that, and then you're gonna take that on, put that on, put on the gray piece. Now for the wheel assembly. The gray wheels are going to be in the back because gray means more traction. In real life it is too. Way in the back. Like that. The front wheels mean better steering. Either the gold or a type of yellow. Brass. And then you have it. Well, Tron's #1 fan signing out.